Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out Finelo, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legitimate platform? Can you really make money with this, or is this a massive scam? Let's check it out, all right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Finelo to see whether it's good or if it's the ugly. Okay, maybe there are better ways to make money online out there. Now, if you come to the Finelo.com website, right? Basically, they look like a 100% legitimate platform, all right? So they're basically teaching you how to master investing and personal finance. So they're teaching you how to invest, how to trade, how to grow your wealth, and how to manage your finances properly, right? Now, if you actually look through this website and you go through the training, they look pretty straight up, like very, very legitimate. They're basically an educational platform that teaches you how to learn how to invest properly in stocks and funds, and it's pretty clear that way, right? Now, if you've ever seen any of their ads, what they're going to lead you to is they're going to lead you to basically a survey. Okay, so it's a 1 minute quiz right here. Maybe I'm going to choose that I'm male, that I'm between this age right here, and then you're going to continue, and they've done a really, really good job here. Okay, you're going to choose financial independence, passive income, very engaging, right? So they've done this in a very, very smart and clever way. How much money do you want to make? And essentially what happens is you're going to fill all this out, and it doesn't really matter what your answers are. They're always going to push you back to signing up with Finelo. This is a really smart way of marketing the program, okay? Now here is, I think, the biggest disconnect with Finelo. There's nothing wrong with the platform itself per se, okay? Because if you actually come to Finelo.com and you never see any of their ads, okay? That means, maybe your friend told you about it or something like that, and you come directly to their website, everything actually looks okay. And if you decide to join the program, it's a paid program, right? And they're very clear with that. They are very clear with how much it costs. It's going to cost you. It's different in different countries, but essentially it's about $30 per month, okay? And once you get signed up with it, everything looks okay because it's basically an educational platform that's going to teach you how to invest in stocks and funds. But this is where the problem starts, right? And this is where you see some people getting upset about it, is that their ads are very inaccurate to what the program is actually about. Okay, so if you come to Finelo.com, it looks like they are an educational platform, all right? And if you go through this and you actually log in, basically that's what they say, right? But when you watch their ads on Facebook or on Instagram, they don't really talk about that. They make it seem as if they're an automated stockbroking company, or a website where you basically don't have to do anything, where you just have to invest money, and you can just make money on their platform. There are even some ads that infer that they will give you money and you can use that and invest yourself. So people get a little bit confused, right? And so they opt in and they use the platform, and they realize that actually Finelo is just an educational platform. So they're just teaching you how to invest, but you can't actually invest with the platform itself. Now, they do have a simulator where they give you fake money to invest so that you can practice, but that's not actual real money that they're giving you. So their ads, I think, are very misleading, and that's really the problem. Now, okay, so that's one thing about it, right? So they've got misleading ads, okay? The other big problem is a lot of people are finding it difficult to refund, all right? So if there's a misleading ad, they come into the platform and then they realize, oh, it's not actually what I thought it was, or maybe I don't really like it, and then they try and get the money back, and that's really where the problems start. They are very, very bad at giving people refunds, okay? So they'll make all sorts of excuses, and if you try to get your money back, you're not able to get it back. And that's really the bigger problem, okay? So if you come to, websites like Trustpilot, right? And there are a lot of positive reviews. That's the thing about Finelo, which is interesting, right? Now, some of these obviously can be faked and they can be engineered. But if you go to the negative reviews, this is where there is a lot of, people saying the same things. Basically, they're saying things like, it's bait and switch, it's a library of lessons that can be found anywhere. I mean, no, that's not necessarily true, but the fact is that this is the bigger problem, okay, is that they refuse to refund, okay, even though they say they have a refund policy, but if they refuse to refund, then that's not a good thing, right? So there are a lot of people saying, complaining that they can't get their money back, right? So they got in for the trial, then they were charged, By the way, they are very clear about that on their website, but the problem is they also say that you can refund and then people can't get their refund back, okay? And then the other thing is that the ads are very aggressive. They make it sound like you can make money very easily, which you can't with investing. Okay, with investing, it takes a long time for you to actually grow your income. And then the other problem is they make it sound like they will do it for you, that it's automated, and they also make it sound like in some of their ads that they're going to give you money to invest. Now they do give you money to invest, but it's fake money, okay? So I think some people get confused about that, and that's why there's so much anger when it comes to Finelo, unfortunately, and a lot of people have had some pretty bad experiences, okay? So I think Finelo, you know, if they were clearer on their advertising, it would be okay, because it is very clear on their website that they're just teaching you how to invest. They're not actually going to do anything for you. You know, it's actually an educational platform, see? We'll help you to take your investing skills to the next level, and we're going to focus on short-term to mid-term strategies, learn about technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, okay? And it's actually teaching you how to, you know, do stuff, all right? We'll help you to manage your debts, blah, 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 blah. So they're giving you a roadmap, they're giving you education, but unfortunately, because the advertising there's a big disconnect to what they actually are compared to the advertising that they do, and also, unfortunately, they're not great with refunds. This is where the problem starts, okay? So here's what I would say, right? You should just be careful when it comes to Finelo, all right? If you're seeing ads and they make it sound like it's super easy to make money, that they're going to give you money to invest, and you know, if you don't want to have problems canceling and then not necessarily getting your money back, you might have to, you know, speak to your credit card company. Then just to be safe, on the safe side, just don't, you know, waste your time with Finelo, okay? Because they're an educational platform, but again, there's been a bit of dodginess going on with the refund stuff, and you don't want to get your money locked up and have to speak to your bank and cancel your credit cards and all that. And for that, I would say, you know, overall, just be careful with this company, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate real income online, right? Remember, investing is great, but investing does require you to have a little bit of money to be able to invest. The other thing as well is with investing, it's going to take a long time, right? We're talking about, you know, quite a few months, if not years, in order for you to generate big income, right? Unless you're day trading, and that is a very, very advanced skill. But for the most part, for the average person, investing is a mid to long-term strategy, okay? Years and you know, even longer than that, right? And also you need a big amount of income if you want to make money back with investing, right? It's not really a cash flow game. And so if you want to make cash flow on this channel, I have reviewed a lot of different strategies. Some of them are good, some of them are not great, right? But out of all of them, there's one strategy that I use to generate a lot of cash flow every single month. That's how I was able to quit my full-time job. And this is how I was able to generate multiple 5 figures a month. If you would like to check out that strategy, all you need to do is just click the link below. I've got a free masterclass that you can check out if you would like, right at the bottom of this video. I wish you all the best, good luck, and I will speak to you very, very soon in another video review. Take care.